Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a sticky note and insert it into your pages and notes on Microsoft OneNote. So let us get started. So guys, sticky notes are something different than these quick notes you will find here in your left sidebar on Microsoft OneNote. You'll find a sticky notes feature in the top right corner, and they can be inserted from a separate Microsoft sticky notes application. So you may access it by clicking into this button. Make sure that you're logged in with the same Microsoft account. You may also use the shortcut Windows tab, Alt and S for that. And after that you will see the sticky notes application starting in the bottom right corner. So to create a new one, click into this button. You will see the source here, for example, which is the page you're currently on, but you may of course remove that and navigate to a different page. Now let me show you how we can insert the sticky note here into your page. For example, as a reminder for you or for one of your co-editors, type in something like my sticky note, something like this. For example, you may customize it below using bold, italic, underline, letter, strike through, bullet points or bullet lists. And that's it. Click into that checkmark button and you will see it created. So what you want to do is click into these three dots, select copy note, and now return to your OneNote page here and click anywhere you would like to place the sticky note. So for example, here on the very right hand side, right click, and what you want to do next is use, for example, paste, or you may simply use the shortcut Ctrl V to copy it, and you will see the sticky note added as a separate text box with the content or text inside it. So if you click into it, you may, for example, keep customizing it, format it, add more text to it. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.